and a warm welcome also from my side. I want to speak with you about the virtual engineer and the new way of service. We all know that uncomfortable situation if you have a breakdown. What does this mean? Regularly, you try to solve your problems on your own. If this is not working, you reach our hotline and try to solve the problem with them on the phone. This is not every time successfully. So we need an intervention on site. To send someone over to you is sometimes a little bit complicated because we mostly need your second level specialists, our second level specialists, which have to do a lot of things in our companies. So it's hard to get them out and to send them to you, especially with COVID-19. So let's make a little summary. Till now, it's time consuming. It's a very expensive version to send someone over because of the travel cost and the expenses. And it is sometimes really hard to get the right man on site in time. And this is now where the virtual engineer steps in. Just one word, what is the virtual engineer? The virtual engineer is a project which we use on a Microsoft platform by using the HoloLens 2. And this allows us already in the first level on the hotline to see what is happening on site. And this increases significant the success in the hotline already. And if it comes to the situation that we need a second level engineer on site, it is much, much easier to get one of these specialists out of his daily work for some hours instead of some days. So let's conclude that. In total, if I compare a normal intervention outside, we are about 5,000 euro for a 2-day intervention with 2-day travel. If we do the same with the virtual engineer, we come down to about 2,500 euro, which saves a lot of money. We reduce your downtime by saving the time of travel and to get in a quicker time a specialist ready for you. And you have additional possibilities like train your staff if you have new stuff in place, or make a reputation if you have new material on site. Let's give you a little impression what does the virtual engineer means on site. I have taken some screenshots from our interventions which we had already. First of all, the personal contact is important for us. You are not speaking to a machine or something like that. You see in the direct view, of course, one of our technicians. In this case, it's me. The second point is a very useful point. If you wear these glasses, there are laser pointers coming out of your arms, which we could see. These laser pointers are very useful if you want to show us something which is behind a safety fence or in the danger zone. So there's no risk and there's no misunderstanding because you could show exactly what is important. For me, this is one of the most impressive pictures. It comes from an intervention in the US, and it's a screenshot of the live picture which we get at that time. And you could really read that linear very precise. And this gives us the possibility to provide this precision also in our advices and check if and help you to bring the parts to that position where they belong exactly. Last but not least, one of the strongest functions of the virtual engineer is the possibility that we could share drawings, schematics, and instructions with you. And these instructions gives us the possibility to combine the drawing with the real world. And you see exactly what we are talking about. So, what does this should cost to you? Like I said in the beginning, it is more a cost saving than additional cost. But we have two possibilities to charge that. One is a contract, which is starting at about 2,500 euro per year. And it includes hotline calls with the virtual engineer, which are smaller than 30 minutes without any cost in 1 week. And it includes about 10 hours of using the virtual engineer without additional cost. We could customize these contracts that they match perfectly to you. The second possibility what we have is the case-by-case scenario. In this case-by-case scenario, you have no additional costs, nothing at all. You just pay for the times when we are working with you. The price of this is 205 euro per hour on a minimum charge of 2 hours per case. These are the general possibilities to charge. I would really ask you to request a personal demo with me or with our company. And every time when I do such a demonstration, these are the most frequent question which I get. First of all, where should I get these glasses from? We have some in stock for emergency cases if it is really a matter of time. Then they make sense. But if you have a little bit time to prepare yourself, I would recommend to buy these glasses directly from Microsoft at a price of about $3,500. And this is definitely much cheaper than the emergency ones from us. What do you need on site? The only thing what you need on site is a Wi-Fi signal. This could be from a cell phone or from your Wi-Fi system. How long does this battery last? Officially 4 hours. To be honest, based on my experience, we are talking about 2 hours. But it is very easy to use the glasses for 4 hours if you use an additional power bank in your pocket. And if it runs empty, it's not a disaster. It takes about 20 minutes to charge back 60% of the battery. How quick could you get help with the glasses? If it is a hotline case, it runs as quick as normal. If we need a specialist, we have to make an appointment, and normally this takes not more than maximum 2 days. Yeah. I really hope I generated some interest. Feel free to send us some questions about that or request any demonstration together with me or one of my colleagues. Thanks, back to Peter.